me quickly show you how to make this very efficient and effective hair shampoo from simple ingredients lying around in your kitchen. Yeah, we all have bay leaf and rosemary in our kitchen. Yeah, we use it to cook stew, So I'll be using just two ingredients to make my hair shampoo. Now, bay leaf helps promote hair growth and also strengthens our hair follicles. Rosemary also stimulates blood circulation in our scalp, thereby promoting hair growth. Now, the reason why I'm using this green tea is because green tea has high caffeine content, which helps in preventing hair shedding and also is very good for hair growth, right? So these are the few ingredients I'll be using. So guys, this is the next morning and this is actually how it looks like. As you can see, the water have changed color. I've gotten all the nutrients I need from this gorgeous mixture, right? So the next thing I'm gonna do now is to just sieve out and get just the water in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and yeah, sieve out the water. Okay, so okay. I'll still be needing this plate, Sabinabo. So let me rinse it. Because you still have some muscles inside. Yeah. So, ooh. So yeah, this is my black soap. I still have like this quantity will be enough for what I want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pieces it a bit. Although it's already soft because I've had it for a long time. But yeah, just gonna use my hand and then get it to smaller pieces all inside the water. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So it's either I just allow it stay for few days or throughout the night the soaps will dissolve, or I take it to my um gas cooker and then heat it up a bit to get everything dissolved. And I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. We're gonna just take it straight to my gas cooker to get it dissolved. So yes, after a few minutes, this is exactly how it looks like, and I think almost it's almost done dissolving. Let's check it. Let's go ahead and turn it and see if we still have okay. We still have undissolved one. So I just I've seen it. I've not even boiled already, but we have most of them already dissolved, as you can see. Okay, so I think we're okay like this. The remaining ones are gonna dissolve before you get cold. Yeah, because when you take it down, you just have to allow it sit for a few minutes before you turn it to your yeah to your container. I think I'm okay with this. I don't want it to boil overboil, so I don't kill all the nutrients of what I want. So I think I'm okay. As you can see, you don't allow it to start boiling like boiling. Just heat it up for a few minutes and then you um just off your gas. Yep. So yeah guys, you have your hair shampoo. Now if you take a close look at this, you will notice that it's not thick. Yes, I love my shampoo light. Now if you want to get your own thick, add enough black soap or don't add much liquid, right? So yeah, with this simple step I just listed out here, you can make your hair shampoo. Okay, so you go ahead and wash your hair and use any conditioner of your choice, and I'll be doing a DIY on how to make your conditioner. Yes, that will be the next video I'll be dropping. Okay, so if you want to get notified on when I upload new DIYs like this, just click on the notification bell. Okay, so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I drop DIY like this, right? So guys, thanks for watching, and I will be leaving now and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.